Hi everyone, welcome to EnglishLogica's Expressions Shorts. This series of short videos deals with single expressions that we think you'll enjoy learning and will find useful. In this video, we cover the expression give someone a heads up. This means to warn someone about something you believe might happen. Let me show you how to use it. Hi, my name is Mr. Kavanagh, and I'm a soft skills trainer. It looks like these students are up to no good. Do you see how one of them is keeping an eye out for their friend so they can play a trick on her? Hey guys, heads up! The lookout warns them their friend is coming. Do you see what happened? If they didn't have someone giving them a heads up, their friend would have seen them waiting for her. You might also hear this expression used in a professional environment, and it can be used in lots of contexts. I just wanted to give you a heads up that our biggest client will be visiting today. We will need to make a good impression. Okay everyone, time to get your act together and tidy this place. I just got a heads up that our biggest client is coming to see us in action. Heads up! Here he comes! Well, everything looks great to me, Mr. Kavanagh. I'm glad I signed up for your services. I'm so glad you gave me that heads up earlier. We might have lost that client if you hadn't. So remember, when you give someone a heads up, you warn them about something that's going to happen. Thanks for watching. Bye! Don't forget to like or comment on our video. For downloadable comics and mind maps, write-ups and more, visit EnglishLogica.com and join our growing community of English learners.